I would have been
It was
just turned 23.
So, just so it doesn't sound reactionary, I watched the halftime show
obviously,
with Barkley and those guys.
Yeah.
just
They were
that
killing
it
the
started
coaching
when I'm
at halftime.
23.
They were like,
You
what
know,
are these
like
guys
that's
doing?
such
They
a
should be up by 30
significant
points.
number.
And Barkley was saying,
That
I think they're going to win the title, but this is the stupidest team I've ever seen. This is
in your
before
brain,
all the
you
stupid
know?
shit
Right, this is
happened.
when they
This
were
is
smart.
first quarter. Yeah.
So I'm
Like,
23 and I'm having my first mental breakdown.
Stuff I watched.
And honestly,
I
from
just will never understand
23 to 27 or
how you don't
28,
use that against the team.
a lot of stuff
And
went
in Harden's
down, and
case,
I
it's
don't
like,
know
this
the
guy can't
timelines or
move.
when I was locked up
Every
or
other
when I
basketball
was,
game we watch, they
you
find
know,
the weak link, and it's like the deer in the wilderness, where
in the psych
pack
ward
hunts
or
and hunts the
what
deer and takes it
came
down.
in what
It's
order,
all
but
basketball.
I had
Yeah,
one
you're just
specific
hunting dudes. So how do
experience
they not figure out
where
a way to hunt Harden? When they took him out,
I guess this couldn't have
and
been
they
the March
pounded
of
out there
2010
and,
one
I don't
that
even know
started
who
it
the
all
dude was.
because